Hey, thanks for stumbling by my channel. What the fuck you talking about? I'm just looking for some Skinner vids. Well, if you're seeing this video, you're not subscribed to my channel. I put up videos almost daily. New videos about what? I do video game commentary, vlogs, unboxings, video game playthroughs, you name it. I played Atari once. Catch up on the times, man. I do videos on all games from PC to retro to Atari to Nintendo 64. Oh, that sounds tedious. I've only ever used YouTube to listen to Skinner and watch videos of hot chicks shooting guns on the internet. Click the subscription below and become part of the explosion. Hell yeah.